Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove an MK7 GTI steering wheel. First, safety is paramount. Always begin by disconnecting the negative terminal of your car's battery. This crucial step prevents any accidental airbag deployment during the removal process. After disconnecting, wait for at least 10 minutes to allow any residual power to fully dissipate from the system. Finally, ensure your steering wheel is perfectly straight and locked in position before you start. Now, let's move on to safely removing the airbag module. You'll find two small access holes on the back of the steering wheel, one on each side. Carefully insert a small flathead screwdriver into each hole, pushing inward to release the spring clips holding the airbag in place. Once both clips are disengaged, gently pull the airbag module away from the steering wheel. Then, disconnect the two electrical connectors and the single horn wire from the back of the airbag. With the airbag safely out of the way, the next step is to detach the steering wheel itself. You'll need a 12-point triple square socket, typically a size 12, to loosen the large center bolt. It's important to keep the steering wheel perfectly straight as you loosen this bolt. Once the bolt is completely removed, carefully set it aside. Before pulling the wheel off, consider marking the steering wheel and the steering column with a pen to ensure perfect alignment during reinstallation. Finally, with the center bolt removed, you can now gently pull the steering wheel straight off the spline shaft. Be mindful of any remaining electrical wires or connectors to avoid damaging them during this step. For reinstallation, simply reverse the process. Align the marks you made earlier, push the steering wheel back onto the shaft, and then reattach the center bolt. Torque the center bolt to 50 Newton meters and reconnect the airbag and battery, ensuring all connections are secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.